Let's see what we can get with this. Okay, so en mi vacaciones. It's en mis. You need an S here. Let's see if we can write it. That's very thick, but well, maybe thinner. An S in here. Mis vacaciones. See, this is probably why when you say the Spanish C, like in think, you will know that it's a CI, not an SI. Vacaciones. There's a problem here. Prefiero, why did you write this with capital letter? I prefer is low caps. Prefiero ir al. Don't forget about al. Trying to write like this. This is an L, or it's supposed to be an L. Al extranjero, porque es muy interesante. Interesting ends in an E. El verano pasado fui de vacaciones o fuimos de vacaciones a Turquía. So this one, fui, not fue. Fue is el. Fui de vacaciones. What is that? Wait, okay. Vacaciones. Fui de vacaciones a Turquía. Why is Turquía without a capital letter? Turquía. Turquía. There's a problem in there. Turquía. I need to write it. Turquía. Okay, now it's fine. Let's move this a little bit. Fui de vacaciones a Turquía. Okay, we underline the entire thing. Fui de vacaciones a Turquía. Viajé en avión, not con. En avión, low caps, con mi familia. Me gusta, this is present, you're talking about the past. Me gustó, with an O. Turquía, don't forget about the stress in here. Mucho, porque no, you want to talk in general. Me gusta Turquía mucho porque es mucho calor. No, hace. This is a typical thing that for the British brain, it's typical. It's very hot. You try to translate it the way you use it in English. But in Spanish, we say hace. It makes or it does, whatever. Things that doesn't exist, something that it doesn't exist in English. So you need to assimilate it like that. So when you talk about the weather, hace frío, hace calor, it's like we use it makes. And that's the way it collocates with the weather. Porque hace mucho calor. If you want to use the verb to be, you could talk about the country. Es un país muy caluroso. But no, keep it like that. Hace mucho calor y sol. Hace sol, again. El año pasado nos quedamos. Okay. What do we have in here? El año pasado. I don't know if you know to write the little hat on N. If you write it by hand. If you don't, I don't know, maybe you don't have the option to write it on the computer. El año pasado nos quedamos. Quedar is the first, I can do this, conjugation. So that's why quedamos. Nos quedamos en un hotel de 5 estrellas cerca de la playa. Okay, just change the E in quedamos. Era lujosa, which one? The beach y grande, pero era, maybe you're talking about the hotel. Era lujoso y grande, pero era muy caro. Me encantó. Again, the stress on O. Me encantó. Lo bueno de Turquía, it's an A, and don't forget about the stress. Era que, again, you can come back to present. Lo bueno de Turquía es que es un país histórico y pintoresco. Let's rewrite that. Lo bueno de Turquía es que es un país, es que es un país histórico y pintoresco. Histórico y pintoresco. Let me see how I'm moving this. País histórico y pintoresco. Ahí. Visité, don't forget about the stress, un museo. In Spanish, we will put a comma. Maybe maybe no. In English, you should put a hyphen between visité un museo and now you're explaining the name. La Otemons, el museo El. It should be El, not La. Okay, but there should be a comma there. La Otemons. A menudo nado en la playa, nadé. Nadé en la playa con mi familia. You're talking about the past event, that's why it's nadé. Finalmente, you don't need normalmente here. Finalmente visitamos a mi abuelo y abuela. There's a name for the two. A mis abuelos. Let's write it here. A mis abuelos. Porque vivan. Maybe you wanted to say ellos, they live. Porque viven. But you don't need it in Spanish. You can just say viven. Visitamos a mis abuelos porque viven en Turquía. Porque viven en... it came out French, it came out a lot of things. En Turquía. Where should I put the rest below? En Turquía. Okay, and you don't need the preposition. En is fine, but this one is not fine. And capital letter, of course. El próximo verano, gustaría, no, me gustaría, I would like. And why did you write it with capital letter? I don't know if it's your German showing or maybe you have a corrector on the computer. Okay, el próximo verano me gustaría ir a Francia. Por visitar, no, para visitar. Look how beautiful here you put it with capital letter. Very good. Para visitar la Torre Eiffel. Para visitar. Let's see if I can move this. Can I? I don't know. Once upon a time. Okay, let's write la Torre Eiffel below here. I can move this, but I can't move the other one. Okay, let me see if I can select it. No, I can't. But this is the point. El próximo verano me gustaría ir a Francia para visitar la Torre Eiffel. this is it. Let's see the video.